what we got right here. This was the N-Gauge he purchased. I don't know exactly where he purchased it, from someone else or off of another car. This was purchased on the marketplace of the Book of Faces, and obviously to another car. So this car is going to be tuned by Lund, as I said for the 20th time already. And they'll send you a paragraph, and you can pause it if you want to read it, if it'll actually come out clear enough. There we go. Of instructions on how to do it. So right here what we have is the file to attach, and what I did, saved it to my desktop, and I dragged it over to the transfers tab. So I'm going to follow the directions laid out in here, and then I'll do it on the car, and hopefully we can get the car to wake up and make some noise. Whew, man, we got a nice steering wheel. Man, look at that. Alright, so we're going to go to, I transferred that file over, put the SD card back in, so we're going to go tuning. Here we go. So go to tuning, scroll down until you see load command. Load command. Press it. And then select the file you attached. What that's, let me just verify it. LRR1.
Oh, you talking? You doing a video?
No, I was going back and forth right now. So here we go. Apply. Oh geez. Check mark. Failed. Code 2. Oh geez. Power. Okay. Select the file you attached. Once you do that, we can write the file and the N-Gauge will be unlocked. Load command. There's that. Oh, okay, there's different ones. I gotta verify. There's 3 of them. Alright. So, command has been executed successfully. You gotta make sure you put the right in one, because as it says here, we got the reset N-Gauge L1 /2. Put the right one in. Now it works. Now the car is making funny noises, so we're good on that one. Now we can go on and do the rest of it. Alright, so it says after we do that, we can go, this is the N-Gauge folder here. So we go to custom files and delete them, but this one doesn't have anything in there, so it was just locked. So I guess the person bought it, it was assigned to the car, but nothing was ever done. So we got that all done. So we got here custom files, stocks, and logs. Alright, so now that that is done, we have our base file here that they sent us with instructions on how to data log and do all that good stuff. I'm not going to really go into this too much because we're not going to be doing it now. But now that the device is unlocked, we can go ahead and go here to our file, to the file they sent us, save it, put that tune into the SD card N-Gauge, and then load it into the car. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but hopefully I get it loaded and we can make some noise. Alright, there we go. So the tune's downloaded, so I'm going to grab what they sent us right here. As it says in instructions, go to custom files, boom, copy it in. I'm going to be a good person. I'm going to eject it. Oh, alright, there we go. Okay. Alright, here we go. Tuning. No, I'm just load the tune right now. 16G. Okay, this is only one of one that's in there. GT Auto ID 1000s. That's what I put in there. So flash this tune. There we go. Dang, went from not working to working. I hope. There we go. This will take approximately 8 minutes since this is the first time this car is going to be flashed. So, alright, there we go. Just had to leave it, touch it in the right way. Oh, look at this little person standing right there. Look at that. Oh, that's actually just a progress bar. Alright, there it goes. We'll see if it makes some noise and see if I routed everything the right way.